What's up YouTube, this is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be telling you about tire recycling and how you can make planters out of tires. So my relatives had some spare tires and I decided to use them. What I did is I got them, I cleaned them up, I sprayed them down, and then I used spray paint whatever color I wanted. And then they actually turned out to be really good planters. I was able to find a big tractor tire as well in the woods where a bunch of idiots dumped a bunch of stuff. So I used the big tire and I planted roses in the tires. So I hope you enjoy my video. Let's go take a peek. As you can see, they turned out really well. I found that big tractor tire out in the woods. There's places where people just dump stuff. It's ridiculous in my opinion, but it was good for me so that I could grab these tires. Really easy to do, not overly complicated. I got some soil that had fertilizer in it and then mulched these, and they seem to be doing okay. I've had these plants in here for roughly 3 days now, so time will tell how good they really do. And as you can see, down below it's opened up, and what I did is I put sandstone on each side to cover up the holes on each side of the tire so that like the dirt doesn't fall down, and then to the right and to the left tire it's open so that the roots can expand down. But thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. My channel has many more videos and reviews, so thank you guys and have a great day.